Running great. Nice to have you back. Happy 4th of July. And on down the hill to downtown Sequim. Running great. Need to do a little adjustments to the idle speed, kind of low, so it will quit sometimes when I come to a stop. And the brakes need to be adjusted because they are pulling me to the right, kind of squealing. The engine quit the 3rd time coming to a stop. Definitely need to increase the idle speed. Alright, give Joe a call and have him set me through changing the idle speed, raising it up a bit. 4-way stop. The engine died, so I need to figure out a fix. Engine's running good. Get her up to 40 here. Really purrs at speed. Wow. On a smooth road, no problem. Not overheating. Fantastic. Keeping the throttle up a little bit at the stops, it did not die. So clearly the idle speed needs to be adjusted up a little bit. Still no signs of overheating. Just barely see the red. Engine died. Well, I don't know if I got any audio or no video on that, but the engine died. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna give Joe a call. I was going almost 45 miles an hour and it just died. I made it off the edge of the road and I'm waiting for Joe to show up. Nice place to stop, I guess. Okay. I'm gonna open up the hood again and just pretend like I know what I'm doing while I wait for Joe. Certainly nothing visible here that's obvious. All the plugs are hooked up. Conductors are attached. There's gas in the gas bowl. I already tapped on the carburetor, so that didn't make any changes. No signs of leaks. Nothing on the other side that's obvious. Can't imagine what's going on. Just biding my time, waiting for Joe. It's a nice day to be stranded, and of course to have so many nose Model A's on their way. The fuse is blown. No wonder the horn was starting to sound anemic. Turns out the horn was the issue. So we're using, the fuse is blown, we're using alligator clips to shoot the gap here and make an electrical connection. I'm going to start the engine. So it looks like the insulation on that wire that's disconnected to the horn got pinched in the mounting process and exposed bare wire which came in contact with the horn. So I cleaned the insulation on those two wires and wrapped some electrical tape around them. Hopefully they will not be touched, and I'll be careful when I put the cover back on so it does not pinch a wire. Diane and I washed the Model A after all the repair work. I mounted the two flags that Dad made years ago for the 4th of July parades in Anacortes. And now we're gonna go for a drive around the neighborhood. Sky's ready to go. Sky's all comfy in there, still wrapped up after her surgery, but she's healing pretty good now. And nothing's gonna stop her from wanting to go for a ride, unless it doesn't start. On full retard. All right, we're gonna do a little choke. Short in the ahooga horn, blew the fuse, so I disconnected the ahooga horn and put in the new fuse that I bought at Home Depot on the 4th of July. No ahooga, but we're running.
Clear on the right.
Here we go. Oh! Started. We stalled out. All right, there's still something wrong here. I don't know what it is. All right, maybe we better go this way.
Maybe it's just not getting enough gas.
Well, it's possible. Come on, Bessie. It's running good now. Shit. Whoa. Well, that was a fun drive around the community, full of adventure. The Model A stalled out 3 times, and each time was when I was coming to a stop. Also, the engine is running a little bit like it's missing. But during the last stall, checked out the distributor cap, pulled it off, and I noticed that the copper conductors are they're loose. And maybe because of that, there could be some missing going on. I called Joe, and he said he can stop by on Sunday, and we'll do some troubleshooting. Happy 4th of July.